So today in this class we are going to look into class and object. Okay. So before we work on class, let's discuss about what is an object. Okay. An object is something which can be, so usually an object in the real time can be can be talked as a anything which we can able to see, and anything which can able to touch it. Okay, we can call it as an object. Okay, for example, take a laptop, car, building. Okay, pen, a mobile, anything which we can able to see it and we can able to touch it, we can call it as an object in the real time. Okay, and the most important thing here we need to remember is every object has certain properties. If you take a car as an object, car will be having color, model number, and what else? And manufacturer name and car type. Okay, few other things. And if you take a chair, number of legs, color of chair, okay, type of chair. And if you take a laptop, the name of the laptop, okay, and the processor speed, and then other specification of the laptop, okay, and the cost of laptop and manufacturer of laptop, model of laptop. Okay, so all those things we can consider it as a properties of an object. Okay, next, what is a class then? Okay, so before talking about the class exactly, let's say you wanted to let's say you wanted to build a building. Let's say you wanted to build a building. So to build a building, what do you need? Okay, so any answer from the chart or whatever it is? Any answers?
Planning.
Yeah, exactly. Let's say to build a building or to make a car, so we need a a plan or design. Okay, so for example, to start a building, you have the labor, you have you know the material and the money to buy the labor. You have each and everything. Okay, so even though we cannot start a building, the reason is we should have a plan before we start it. Okay, so in the same way, to manufacture thousands of cars. Okay, so first we start with single car. Okay, and for that single car we should have a proper design. Okay, from the proper design a car will be designed, and we'll be replicating many and many cards. Okay, so for anything to start, the plan or the design is very important. In case of with building, we call it as plan. In case of with card, we call it as a design. Okay, so what is building and car? Okay, this building is an object and this car is an object. Okay, so finally what we are going to say is, to create an object, to construct an object, we need a plan or a blueprint. Okay, so this class is called this class is called a blueprint. Okay, so you can consider this blueprint as a plan or design. Okay, using this plan and design, we can construct an object that could be a building or a car. Okay, using this class we can construct objects. Then object is an instance of a class. So this is the Java definitions for a class and an object. Class is called a blueprint. Using this class, we can construct objects, and object is a instance of a class. Okay, so these are the definitions which we already have. Okay, so you can able to see the same definitions here. So that's about class and object.